Welcome to Gelous Nail Art Tutorials. Today I will be showing you how to do a sticker application with our Silver Star nail stickers. Once you've completed your nail prep, base coat and optional builder gel, you're ready to add nail art. Tap the information icon in the top right corner to watch our full application tutorial to see these steps in detail. When you're ready, let's get started. Apply 1 to 2 thin coats of French kiss, curing after each coat. Make sure to cap the free edge and leave a small gap at the cuticles. Cure for 60 seconds. Wipe away the sticky inhibition layer using a lint-free wipe moistened with gel nail polish remover or a pure acetone wipe. Gently bend the Silver Stars nail stickers sheet where your selected sticker is. Carefully peel away the sticker using your nail art tweezers and place it onto your nail. Take your time, nail stickers are thin and can tear easily. Press down with your double-ended silicone tool to ensure the nail sticker is fully adhered and free of air bubbles. Repeat these steps to apply stickers to your other nails. When selecting your nail sticker, hold the sheet above your nail to help choose the best fit. Once placed, they're difficult to remove. Make sure the edges of your nail sticker sit flat against the nail so they don't lift under your top coat. Apply a thin coat of rubber top coat and cap the free edge. Rubber top coat is thicker than regular top coat and will help encapsulate stickers as they are slightly raised. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. You can get creative by doing French tips or add other gel nail polish colors to enhance your stickers. Thanks for watching!